This is the reality about the oil prices they won't explain to you in simple terms. When global oil prices were higher than today, petrol in Pakistan was actually cheaper. Today, oil is lower, but petrol in Pakistan is much more expensive. So, what changed? Now, let's go back to 2022. Global oil prices briefly spiked above $130 per barrel. Do you know what petrol cost in Pakistan was at that time? It was around 150 rupees per liter. Now, look at today. Oil in the global market is actually lower than its peak price in 2022. It is around 100 to $110 per barrel. But petrol in Pakistan today, well, it is around 370 to 380 rupees per liter. So why is this happening? Three simple reasons. First, the rupee. In 2022, $1 was around 175 rupees. Today, it is close to 280. So even if oil stays the same, Pakistan pays much more. Second, the taxes. In 2022, the government reduced taxes and gave relief. Today, petrol is one of the biggest source of revenue. A large part of the of what the consumers pay today is not oil; it is taxes and levies. Third, no more cushion. In 2022, the government absorbed some of the shock. Today, it cannot afford to do that. So the full burden comes to the consumer. So here is the truth. Petrol price in Pakistan today are not just about oil. They are about the dollar, they are about taxes, and they are about the economy. So the next time someone asks you why are the petrol prices are so high, whereas the global oil prices are cheaper than its peak price in 2022, here is the answer. Petrol in Pakistan is no longer just fuel. It is a silent tax on everyday life, and until the economy stabilizes, we will keep paying for it.